Interpreting informational texts is a crucial skill for students, especially at the high school level where the ability to extract and analyze information becomes increasingly important. This review will explore various aspects of interpreting informational texts, including understanding the main idea and details, rephrasing and summarizing, applying ideas, recognizing cause and effect, comparing and contrasting, evaluating word choice, discerning the writer's tone and point of view, understanding text structure, and reading predictively. Main idea and details. The main idea of a text is the central point or message that the author wants to convey. Identifying the main idea involves looking for the most important concept that the author discusses. Supporting details are pieces of information that reinforce or illustrate the main idea. For instance, in a text about climate change, the main idea might be that human activities contribute to global warming, supported by details such as statistics on carbon emissions and their effects on the environment. Rephrasing and summarizing. Rephrasing means putting the original text into your own words. This skill helps in better understanding and retaining the information. Summarizing involves condensing the text, highlighting only the main points, which aids in clarifying the text's overall message. Both skills are essential for effective note-taking and studying. Application of ideas. Applying ideas from informational texts can enhance understanding and retention. This involves connecting the concepts from the text to real-world situations or other knowledge areas. For example, understanding the causes of the French Revolution might help students analyze political unrest in different historical or contemporary contexts. Cause and effect. Recognizing cause and effect within informational texts helps students understand how events are linked. It involves identifying what happened, the effect, and why it happened, the cause. This is particularly useful in subjects like history and science, where understanding the linkage between events or phenomena is crucial. Comparing and contrasting. This skill involves identifying similarities and differences between two or more elements in the text. It can be used to compare different theories, opinions, or sets of data. Comparing and contrasting enhance critical thinking and help students make informed judgments about the material. Word choice. Analyzing an author's word choice is key to understanding the tone and intent of the text. Words can have different connotations, and choosing one word over another can significantly affect the text's impact and the reader's interpretation. Writer's tone and point of view. The tone of a text refers to the author's attitude toward the subject, which can be determined by word choice and style. Point of view, whether first person, second person, or third person, affects how information is presented and perceived. Recognizing the writer's tone and point of view helps students critically assess the reliability and bias of the information. Text structure. Informational texts can be structured in many ways, such as cause and effect, problem and solution, or comparison and contrast. Understanding the structure helps students anticipate the kind of information that will follow and enhances their ability to navigate and interpret the text effectively. Reading predictively. Reading predictively involves using text clues to anticipate what will come next in the text. This skill helps engage students with the material and encourages active reading. Predictive reading also aids in understanding complex texts by allowing students to prepare mentally for what they are about to read. In conclusion, mastering the art of interpreting informational texts is not just about understanding the content but also about engaging with it in a meaningful way. By focusing on the main idea and details, rephrasing and summarizing, applying ideas, recognizing cause and effect, comparing and contrasting, evaluating word choice, discerning the writer's tone and point of view, understanding text structure, and reading predictively, students can enhance their comprehension and analytical skills. This comprehensive approach prepares them not only for academic success but also for informed and active participation in the world around them. This has been a production of DNJ Designs and Mathman 1962. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click on the subscribe button. Adult education instructional materials available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.